Today we're going to learn how to reset the Wi-Fi and add a device for your Q series controller. First, hold down the pair button for 10 seconds or until the feedback button does 2 fast blinks. Then release the button and wait for the Wi-Fi light to blink once. The Wi-Fi has been reset on the Q series controller, and now within the Haven Lighting app we can add a device. First, go to the 3 bars on the top right corner of the app. Select Add Device and choose the device you're adding. Next, head over to your device's Wi-Fi settings. Select the Haven Wi-Fi network, and then come back to the Haven app and look for the check mark and tap Next. Then, within the Haven app, select your Wi-Fi network and type in the password. Your app will now connect to the Wi-Fi and you can click Register. Now, your device has been added and you will see solid lights on your controller. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful videos from Haven.